Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Tech Tips. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log into Shein app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app first and click on this Me option on the bottom right corner. Now on the top, we can see this option called Sign in /register. So let's tap on this. Now we need to enter our mobile number or email address we have signed in or we have created an account from. So let's go for this and simply click on continue. Now we need to enter our password here and simply click on sign in. And if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forget your password to reset it. Now let's click on sign in. So now we are in Shein interface. So this is all we can do to log into Shein app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.